The biggest difference to me, what I've noticed, and if there is something else that I missed, go ahead and please feel free to check me down below in the comments, is that this one you can hook up to your Wi-Fi connection, and you can also use the Klipsch Stream app.
You want to see some love? It's Love Day. I'm showing people love out here on the court.
What's going on YouTube? Nicholas here with Tech Love TV, where we don't discriminate and we believe all tech deserves some love. Follow my channel for the longest time. You know I love my tech that have full app integration. For the Mark 1, to set up this app, what you want to do is download the Klipsch Stream app, and it is available in the App Store or the Google Play Store. So you click on that. What it will ask you is immediately to set up a new device. So I'm going to click set up new device. It tells you for best results, place your Wi-Fi device near your Wi-Fi access point or Wi-Fi router. You can move it after setup. And it says make sure your Play-Fi speaker or receiver Wi-Fi light is pulsing slowly, not pulsing. Press down the info icon above. There's no light on the front, so what they're talking about right now is there's a green light on the back side of this right here. If it's not pulsing, there it is. And so that means it's ready to hook up to my Wi-Fi. And then so I'm gonna go to the next screen. It tells you to go to your settings, go to your Wi-Fi network, click on this device right here. It says Play-Fi device, and then go back into the app. Okay, so now I finally have the Mark 1 set up to the Klipsch app. As you can see right here, I named it Klipsch the 3, and then as you can see, you have the volume slider at the bottom right here. If you hit the gear icon at the top left, you can go in here, you can set up another Play-Fi device. You can rename this, learn more, music services. Under music services, you can pick between all of these music services: Amazon Music, Deezer, iHeartRadio, KKBox, Napster, Pandora, QO, Buzz, Radio.com, SiriusXM, Sound Machine, Spotify, and Tidal. Speaker groups. So you can hit the plus button to create a speaker group. You have your Spotify groups. It says stereo pairs, surround sound. Press the plus button to set up surround sound. Amazon Alexa, again, works with Google Assistant as well. System update, no updates are required. Troubleshoot, about, and advanced settings. And in advanced settings, you can adjust the volume on connection, auto connect, power sleep timer, show expand, collapse, check for a new version on app startup, enhanced data service, MCU update notification, stop audio on phone call, add and remove from now playing in music services, which is in a beta. And it says tap connected device bar to modify your zone configuration. And that's everything inside of the settings. And then also you have this high-res audio. You click that, it turns it yellow. So I'm going to do that. It says critical listening mode. Critical listening mode creates a pure, unaltered digital audio path to any single Play-Fi speaker for best possible sound quality. It supports content up to 24-bit, 192 kilohertz in resolution. And then if I click on my actual speaker right here, I can sign into my music services. Okay, so what I noticed that if I go back into the settings and I go to stereo pairs, I cannot pair these up because they're not both hooked up via Wi-Fi in the app. Since this one is not Wi-Fi enabled, you can't use the app on the Mark II to create a stereo pair. Now, since this is only Bluetooth, I'm not sure if you can hook this up, if you can pair this to another Mark II Bluetooth version and get the stereo sound that you're looking for. But I do know with this Wi-Fi one, you can add multiple speakers to the same group, and then you can have these playing in different areas of your house. So that's another reason why I do like the Mark 1 better than the Mark II. And that is pretty much it for everything inside the app. As always, if this is your first time here or if you found any value in this video, go ahead and smash that subscribe button down below. And don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notifications on when I drop my latest tech video. As always, thank you for stopping by the Tech Love channel. My name is Nicholas, and I'm out. Peace.